Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off Vanish mode. Vanish mode is designed for temporary and more private conversations. If you are concerned about the potential for messages to disappear, especially in a group chat, turning off Vanish mode ensures that your messages remain visible. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are in your Instagram account, go into your DM icon from the top right corner. You will only be able to turn off Vanish mode in your friend's chat. When you are in your DM, tap on any of your friend's chats. Then, tap on the profile icon from here. After that, look for Vanish mode. If you don't find the Vanish mode here, then get back to the inbox. Now, hold on anywhere in your inbox and swipe it up. Then, the Vanish mode is activated. After that, your sent messages and media will vanish or disappear once you get out of that inbox. Now, to turn off the Vanish mode, apply the same process. Hold and swipe up on the inbox, and this process will turn off the Vanish mode. Now, your messages will not disappear. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.